Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. So today we are going to unbox another Rubik's Cube. Here is the Rubik's Cube we are going to unbox. Jihui Cube. Cylindrical cube. Let's open it up. Okay. A little bit of ASMR. Wow, it's looking smoother than the cylindrical cube of G. I think we should do a versus between these two cubes. It's looking much smoother than it. See, it's looking smoother than. Okay, so I think this is it for the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you are new.